Welcome to exam secret number 10. This one is avoid distractions. This is intuitively logical. We don't need to remind, but we just need to remind ourselves. We know that distractions are not good for exams. Oh, my paper got stuck there. What's happening here? There's something on this computer here. Anyway, right, we are going through exam secrets. We just finished. We've done let me get this page right. Remember, there's a series on exam secrets. Remember SQ3R, the mnemonics, and Alma reading and all of that. Okay, so now we're busy with, we did mnemonics, we did take a breaks, the benefits of almonds, and now we're doing brain secret number 10, which is distractions. Okay, very briefly, distractions can be many things. It could be your telephone. Okay, keep yourself, when you're busy studying, go into your room, close the door. If you can lock the door, you've got it. If you've got a quiet space, go in one corner of the house. At night, if you haven't got a study table, at night when everyone finish eat, clean the table, sit on the table, sit in the dining room. You must have a quiet place. Every day you must study in the same place, because then that's how it conditions the brain. If you're on campus, go to the library, close the door. When you must be by yourself, you must tell yourself, you must focus. Remember, study in periods of 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Take a break. Study 15 minutes, take a break. Either continue with the same subject or change the subject, but give your brain a break. Study, break. Study, break. Avoid distractions. No phone. Off the phone. Keep your phone away. Don't answer it. Okay, unless it's emergency. Otherwise, don't phone. Keep the TV far away from you and keep your pets away. The pets can be a distraction. Keep your dogs and pets and puppies and everything away. You can play with them afterwards. Avoid parties. Your friends will be going for parties and all of that, but keep away. Avoid the campus life. This is very, very dangerous. You must remember, in school, you have a routine. You go to school, your teacher tells you what subjects to study. You have a small break, then you have a big break. There's a routine. But when you finish school, when you go to university, this campus life, no one cares whether you come to lectures or not. The teachers don't care. The professors don't care. You are paying the money, or your parents, your hard-working parents are paying your money, or you've got a student loan. It is so sad to see when you go to campus, you see the people sleeping on the grass or sitting on the phone, sitting on the grass. Why are you doing that? I mean, this is not a zoo lake. The campus is not a zoo lake. The campus is not Wombats. The campus is not Walt Disney Orlando. I mean, if you're going to sit on the campus in the grass to get sun tanning, that's not the beach. You are on campus to study. You must be in the library. In fact, if I was a dean, if I was a rector of a university, I'll ban all grass. There must be no grass. People must not sit on the grass. They must sit inside the library. You are there to study. You are there to educate your brain. I mean, people don't study, and then when it's exam time, they jump all over and disrupt other people who are trying to write. This is not right. This is very shameful. If you don't study, then don't disrupt the exams by giving excuses that there's no money for education. Your parents have worked hard to educate you. Please don't shame your parents and don't insult your parents by sitting on the grass. Please go into the library. The reason why you're on campus is to educate your brain. You're going to educate your brain inside the library, not on the grass, please. So please remember, campus life can be a big distraction. The first week of campus is orientation. Everyone is in a party mode. First 2-3 weeks, you're wondering what's going on. Before you know it, the April exams are there. You've wasted 3 months. When you go to campus, you start studying from day one. Forget the parties. Campus life, it is your career, it is your life. If you want to party, then you can party the rest of your life. That's up to you. It's not my money, it's your parents' money, or you got a money from the bank. Please, I mean, if you're rich, then you're not going to study. Why are you going to study if you're so rich? So if you're serious about having a profession, be serious. If you're in school, remember, your parents are working very hard. Your grandparents are working very hard to make sure you get an education. The best asset, the best investment you can make is educate your child. This brain is the best investment. So your duty as a student, please study hard. You got a brain. Don't let anybody tell you are stupid. You've got a brain. Study hard. If you have difficulty, speak to your teacher or speak to someone who can show you the easy way to get through things. But the main thing is avoid distraction. Avoid boyfriends, girlfriends at the moment. Get serious. Who is paying for your education? Please, there are people who are sacrificing. They're working hard. They got double job, triple job just for you to get an education. It is your life. It is your life. If you're going to sit on the campus grass, you're wasting your parents' money, you're wasting your grandparents' money. That student loan which you got or the bursary you got could have gone to another student who is more hardworking. So please, it is a trust. So please take education seriously. Don't sit on the grass, sit in the library. Your career, to get a career is not easy. Any profession, doctor, lawyer, accountant, you want to become a technician, or you want to become an electrician, or you want to become an AI, or you want to become a software specialist or an architect, it's not easy. You got to break your brain. You got to break it to study. You got to sweat blood. You got to sweat blood. It's not easy. You must be serious. If you are in education business, you must be serious. There's no time for games. But it's worth it. In the long term, it's worth it. It's not easy. It's very difficult. It's worth it in the long term. The best gift you can give your child is the gift of education. Stay well. Lesson for today is avoid the distractions. Stay well.